Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Life lessons, be like. 1. Drink water because your body isn't powered by Wi-Fi. 2. Get enough sleep. Your brain likes it too. 3. Don't skip breakfast. Even superheroes need fuel. 4. Be kind. Kindness can brighten someone's day. 5. Listen carefully. You might leave something surprising. 6. Laugh often. A good laugh makes tough days lighter. 7. Save a little money. Future you will probably say thanks. 8. Keep learning. Knowledge never goes out of style. 9. Admit your mistakes. Everyone has a oops moments. 10. Be patient. Good things sometimes arrive fashionably late. 11. Don't judge too quickly. First impressions don't tell the whole story. 12. Try new things. You might discover a hidden talent. 13. Stay curious. Questions often lead to amazing adventure. 14. Smile more. Smile can be surprisingly contagious. 15. Keep your promises. Trust is built one promise at a time. 16. Say thanks. Gratitude never gets old. 17. Say sorry when needed. A sincere apology can fix a lot. 18. Don't give up too soon. Success sometimes hides behind one more try. 19. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward counts. 20. Learn from failures. They are unexpected teachers. 21. Stay humble. There always something new to learn. 22. Help others. Kindness often comes full circle. 23. Spend time with family and comrades. Memories are priceless. 24. Take breaks. Even batteries need recharging. 25. Stay organized. Finding things is much easier. 26. Be honest. The truth is easier to remember. 27. Think before speaking. Words can stick around for a long time. 28. Stay calm. A cool head solves problems faster. 29. Enjoy simple things. Happiness doesn't always need a fancy decorations. 30. Respect everyone's differences. The world is interesting because we're unique. 31. Keep a sense of humor. Sometimes laughter is a best sidekick. 32. Stay active. Movement keeps your body happy. 33. Read more books. Every page opens another world. 34. Learn a new skill. It's never too late to surprise yourself. 35. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own. 36. Focus on what you can control. It saves a lot of unnecessary storms. 37. Ask questions. Curiosity helps you grow. 38. Keep an open mind. New ideas can be exciting. 39. Be reliable. People appreciate someone they can count on. 14. Stay positive. A hopeful attitude helps during challenges. 41. Learn to say no. Healthy boundaries matter. 42. Forgive when you're ready. It helps lighter emotional baggage. 43. Keep practicing. Practice makes improvement. 44. Appreciate nature. Fresh air is a wonderful reset button. 45. Stay flexible. Plans sometimes change and that's okay. 46. Share what you know. Knowledge grows when you share.